Welcome to FlashLawyer.com, a legal document generator powered by Lex. Over the past couple years, FlashLawyer has provided over 10,000 free legal documents to its users through an interface that relies on multi-step HTML forms. The problem is there's already a ton of other apps doing the same thing. So I wanted to redesign this app with an approach that is completely different than the norm. My goal with FlashLawyer was to turn this process into a natural language experience, as if you're sitting down with an actual lawyer consulting you through the document. I decided to scrap all HTML forms and build an interface that relies exclusively on a chatbot. So the first thing FlashLawyer can do is it can provide general help if you're completely lost. So we just type help and the bot responds with a helpful message. In this case, we're going to respond and just say show all, to which the bot's going to respond by taking us to a page with all the legal documents available on the site. The front-end app itself is built with Angular 4, so it can recognize the bot's responses and then automatically route the user to the appropriate page. In this case here, we have a list of documents, but what if the user still doesn't know which document they need? In that case, we might just say loaning money to a friend. And when we do this, the bot knows that that utterance is associated with a promissory note. So it navigates the user to that page and then starts initiating a flow of questions to get the variables in that document filled out. As the user responds to each question, the bot will fill out the variable in the document itself. So even if it appears in multiple places, they'll all be updated and synced up automatically. The NLP features make filling out documents a lot more intuitive. For instance, the bot's going to ask the date that interest starts accruing on this promissory note, in which case the user can just say today or tomorrow, and Lex will respond with the actual properly formatted date. That's a lot easier than writing out a date manually or trying to find a date through like a pop-up calendar. Every user input gets validated through the Lambda function, so the bot can respond when things aren't validating properly. For example, if an email address wasn't formatted correctly, the bot could respond with specific instructions on what the actual problem is. When the document is validated, Lex will fulfill that intent, which triggers the app to save the document. Then the user can go ahead and email it or download it as a PDF. So at this point, the intent's been fulfilled by Lex, thus fulfilling its main objective. And the user, as a fallback, can still go into the document and edit any of the fields manually. And they can also e-sign the document as well. Currently, the PDFs are being generated on the client side, but in the future, I plan on creating a different Lambda function that can handle building these PDFs, which would allow easier integration with Slack or Twilio or any other API similar to that. Well, that about wraps up the FlashLawyer demo. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know, and thanks for watching.